As Novak Djokovic stepped on court to train this morning, the superstar remained engulfed in speculation about his future at this year's Australian Open. This evening, the Immigration Minister Alex Hawke gave his answer.
Today, I exercised my power under Section 133C of the Migration Act to cancel the visa held by Mr Novak Djokovic on health and good order grounds on the basis that it was in the public interest to do so. I carefully considered information provided to me by the Department of Home Affairs, the Australian Border Force and Mr Djokovic.
I'm surprised that they went ahead with that. I assume his lawyers will now seek judicial review of that decision.
Court documents show Djokovic thought he did have a valid medical exemption when he entered Australia last Thursday, only to be detained and questioned by Border Force officials. His visa was cancelled over his vaccination status and then reinstated when the Federal Circuit Court found he hadn't been afforded due process. With the tournament just days away, some players are voicing their own frustration.
98% of the players have been vaccinated and did what they had to do in order to come and perform and play in Australia. A very small majority of that percentage chose to follow their own way. Makes the majority look like they're all fools or something.
Attention has also turned to possible reputational damage. Former tournament director Paul McNamee tweeted, "I don't like our Grand Slam being subject to ridicule."
If it looks either difficult or not clear or complicated, or when somebody arrives and they find themselves in trouble that they're not receiving the warmest of welcomes, that is a problem for Australia as a whole, and therefore by extension for Melbourne, given its status as our sporting and events capital.
Late today, the ABC learned 2 players who flew into Australia for next week's Open with the same exemption as Novak Djokovic have flown out of the country of their own accord.